Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Textron Systems wins US Air Force order to support T-7A Advanced Pilot Training Maintenance System. Textron Systems Corporation has been awarded a purchase order from Pinnacle Solutions to support the US Air Force T-7A Advanced Pilot Training Program Maintenance Training System. The award is valued at up to $62 million, including a 3-year base period worth $41 million and options of up to $21 million for additional training devices. Under the contract, Textron Systems will design, develop and produce the common fuselage structure for 3 maintenance trainers, as well as deliver the mid-integrated system maintenance trainer and the aft integrated system maintenance trainer in full. The optional elements include the production of additional units of these maintenance training systems. The T-7A maintenance training system is intended to provide maintainers with the core skills required to support the aircraft and its subsystems. The integrated trainers will enable simulated training for tasks such as system removal and installation, visual examinations, inspections and other maintenance procedures. Textron Systems brings the Pinnacle team decades of proven expertise in advanced maintenance training systems to effectively equip the U.S. Air Force with the skills and essential capabilities needed to maintain the T-7A and its associated subsystems, said Steve Mensch, Senior Vice President of Electronic Systems. This effort represents Textron Systems' excellence in training and mission readiness as part of our ongoing commitment to the U.S. Air Force. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.